can finally break free of your storage unit. You ready?
I am ready.
Go there.
Oh,
That's
God,
the
I don't want to
first
go there.
thing
I don't want to go to anyone's storage unit,
Right.
especially my own.
So the reason why I say that, because thinking about it is not going to get it resolved. Thinking about it is not going to help. So going there and looking at what's in there. So when you first get there, don't worry that you're doing anything that day other than making a game plan. You have to make a game plan. Getting your ducks in a row. That's what you're doing. Do I need a mover? Do I need 2 movers? Do I need to donate? Do I need a consignment shop? Do I need someone for antique furniture to guess how much something is worth, or an art dealer? Find out what's in there. Take pictures, lots and lots of pictures. And then you go back home. You don't try to tackle this without knowing the support systems you need to get this cleared out and taken care of.